driving the helicopter? Who is driving this thing? Guys, I'm gonna let go.
Conjay was suddenly sent to Mexico.
Conjay was sent to Timbuktu.
I need to make my avatar bigger. I'm gonna set it to the max height and then attach myself to choppers. Hold on. Wait, no, don't activate it yet. I need to do something.
What do you mean don't activate it?
I'm coming! Come on! What's my height for this?
Don't activate your slime.
Okay, I might not make
Anthony,
it.
you do it. You do it.
Who's driving?
Move your avatar!
Oh my god, Chester! Oh my god! No!
My bloody spinal cord!
I'm going outside the
One car.
Keep doing it.
With a
Keep
bunch
doing
of
it.
cars.
We can't help it.
Stop! Hang on, let me get over there. Hang on.
I'm so scared.
Yo, Jen, should we go somewhere else?
I sound like a man. No, I'm just kidding.
One more spin. One more spin. Come.
Hey, what's up? Jesus Christ, G-Man!
Jesus Christ, G-Man's terrified!
Hey there.
G-Man's terrified!
Guys, I'm ready here. Only hold a propeller with only one.
Oh god, okay.
I catapulted myself.
Oh crap, oh my no, no. Guys, I'm stuck!
Oh my god.
Holy shit!
Guys, the map it! Oh my god, the map's freaking out.
No, don't activate it. Bro,
Oh god.
I didn't get it.
John, I'm so
Yes,
scared.
Oh shit, okay, I'm on.
It's getting too loud.
You don't want no work?
I'm sorry for being so loud, it's just that this thing is actually really fun.
Keep going. The more noise, the better, bro.
Oh no.
Yeah, you're okay.
Oh my god.
No, you don't know how to drive a helicopter!
Guys, can I try on a helicopter?
Yeah, Dojo. Yeah, Anthony, you try the helicopter. Wait, actually, John, there's a teleporter to get you to the elevator faster and spawn. Walk.
Conjay, just look at where I am.
Where are you?
Yeah, buddy.
I have never heard G-Man this scared before. I have never heard G-Man this scared before.
Let me ride the helicopter. I'm actually good at driving helicopters.
Not again.
Let me ride the helicopter. Hold on.
Hey, G-Man.
Conjay, I got sent to fucking space
I
after
fell
I did it.
off! How did I not go to the platform?
Where's Anthony?
Dojo, stop hopping into the helicopter seat!
It's over there. Hang on, Chad.
I'm gonna ride the helicopter.
What? Stop making I'm inside the ground.
Too.
Can
Can I hop into?
Guys! I'm up in the sky!
Oh god, bye, John. Oh my gosh.
My God.
We're going down! We're going down!
I did it!
Chester is tweaking. Chester is tweaking.
I got control.
Bro, his antennas look like noodles. He's literally like noodling all over the place.
Damon, who got
Burning spice noodles. Jester, I dare you to let go. Jester, I dare you to let go.
I'm getting experience. I shouldn't be able to go.
No, you let go. Do it. Oh god, oh god, oh my god, G-Man. Lavin, I'm so sorry. Lavin, I am so sorry that we're being super loud.
Conjay, I see the edge of the map. I see the edge of the map.
Lavin, we are so sorry.
Lads, I see the end of the map.
Oh my god, Jester's still going.
Conjay.
I'll get over there. Hang on.
Guys. Lavin, I'm so sorry that we're being loud, but this is way too fun. Who is driving this thing? Who's driving this thing? Guys, I think Jester might have fallen. Help, who's driving this? Who is driving this?
Okay, Anthony, can I be honest with you? I was
that's too far.
launched so fucking far. I got sent outside of the map. I reached the border.
Can I drive the helicopter, please?
Anthony, do it.
This is the honestly, I've never heard G-Man this scared before. Like, did you hear his
Conjay,
first
can I
reaction?
say something?
Well, yeah, I heard you.
I was launched so I actually reached the border of the map. I'm not going to say anything. I made it to the border of the map.
Can I drive a helicopter?
Never mind.
Can I go onto the platform without falling through?
And all people just like.
Sorry, John. I'm stuck.
Yo,
Oh shit!
Why is there grappling hook? Who was that swinging? Bye, G-Man.
Finally, I made it. Let's fucking go. Holy
Fucking
shit.
good, G-Man.
Bring it around.
Just need to launch my ass up.
Yo, chat.
Launch myself up there.
Who's gonna launch? Was that Shapey? Shapey, are you okay? Let Anthony drive. Let Anthony drive.
What do you want to be?
I can't have to.
Can I join?
Morning spies.
Oh my god!
Guys, I have something to announce. I have something to say. Who is driving this?
I should have.
Leroy, who is driving? Leroy, stop. Leroy, you're stuck at driving.
I need to get up there. Hang on. I need to get my giant ass up there.
Voice crack of the century. What was that voice crack? Oh crap.
Come on! What voice crack? What voice crack? Okay.
Okay, Morty.
Dopamine. Conjay, the amount of dopamine you get from doing that, though. The amount of dopamine.
The fact that I started recording as soon as I got onto Propeller is crazy. So, but yes, we have
So damn loud. Like, whose idea?
Hi, YouTube.
Lavin,
Hi,
I'm
YouTube.
sorry we're being loud. I'm just gonna say this is a lot of fun.
What's a dopamine?
I mean, if you do it, you understand.
Guilty for doing this if I feel like one of us suggested the idea, so apologies, Lavin.
I can't stop
Should we go to there?
That's a
Wow.
bit.
All I said.
Another one. Another one.
All I said.
Another.
All I said.
I can't hear you.
Eight
Oh.
ball.
Oh, Anthony.
If you want to. Anthony, Oh god, he's coming, guys, he's coming in hot. He's coming in hot. He's coming in hot. He's coming in. AKM.
Lingo lessons.
I already know how to drive planes.
And I made it.
Oh god.
He's going down.
Anthony's coming in.
He's going down.
No, Anthony's going
He
down.
faced for the ground for a second.
He didn't get destroyed.
He landed.
Anthony, wait, Anthony.
It didn't
Somebody,
explode.
can we not respawn the place? Celery, what was that? Oh god, oh god, guys.
He's going down. Crush. He's going down. Crush. Crush.
And you said I had to come the fuck
He died.
I prefer driving planes.
Wait, someone, no, guys, I have an idea. No one jump in. Guys, no one jump in. Goel, get out. Goel, jump out.
Help.
Oh god. Guys, I just told you to get out. Jump out. Celery, get out.
I'm gonna get out.
Guys, I have an idea. Guys, I have an idea. When the propellers calm down, everyone attach themselves to the propellers and then someone jump in. All right, everyone jump on. No, I said
I wasn't ready.
Dude, you made me sense.
Get the shit away.
I feel like I'm going to be sick.
Oh dear me.
I said wait for everyone to jump onto the propellers and then someone get in. Not
Nobody listens,
I jump on.
okay? Nobody listens.
I understand that.
Okay, one more. Okay.
Yo, Jit. Bruh.
Is it possible to hear you, man? Get a grappling hook.
This is what I was talking about, bruh.
A pool parlor.
Eh?
Hey, this sounds kind of.
No, dude.
Go to the others. Go to go.
Wait, who was throwing? Guys.
Whoever screams like, oh.
Okay, everyone get on the propellers.
Yes, summon the plane.
Drive.
Yes,
I will drive.
So,
I will drive. Good.
No, Goel!
I make it.
I will drive.
Door machine.
Get off. No,
Oh, is everyone? Okay, everyone, jump on, and then someone jump in. Oh, is everyone on? Is everyone on?
Wait. Hold up.
All right, there you go.
Waiting on.
We are.
All right.
No, not yet. Not
All right, okay, is everyone on?
I'm in.
Yes.
Wait, who wants to?
All right. Oh my god! Move the plane! I can't move! Oh my god! Guys! At a count of 3, we all let go! Everyone, at a count of 3, we all let go! 1, 2, 3! G-Man, oh my gosh!
Don't break your ankles.
Who is yelling at Doc? Lavin, I'm gonna crash. Lavin, watch out! I'm crashing in down. Lavin, I'm crashing down on you. Lavin, I'm coming down.
Where are you going?
Lavin, watch out! I'm coming
I
down.
have to get back over there.
No,
I did the.
Lavin, I'm coming down. No. I'm falling into the ocean.
I'm too far away.
My ankles.
Oh my god, John's ankles broke.
Responded.
No. Now, Lavin, what do you mean now?
Oh my god. There we go.
Alright, hold on.
I got
Jump
you.
on.
I got you. Get up.
I'm breaking my
Kiss
ankle.
I was about to say, why
Kiss
can't
the
I
boo-boo
press it?
away. Kiss the wound away, Shake me. Oh gosh.
No.
Celebrate, don't yell like that. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Thank you.
Okay, to be fair, we are.
Screaming.
Everyone
Okay,
is
guys,
screaming.
that's enough.
Yeah, you. Actually, you're the one screaming first. You're the one screaming first.
It was. Lab,
guys,
okay,
that's enough, that's
let's just say everyone here is not innocent in this. Everyone here is not innocent in the screaming department. Let's be honest.
I am. Though.
Yeah, no, Leroy, you never hold a grappling hook, so we never heard you.
Yeah, man.
Listen, the reason why I'm not screaming. The reason why I'm not screaming.
Loving
is
your
my
screaming,
dad, okay?
bro. What are you out?
We were all screaming at some
Don't
point.
rage bait her. Don't rage.
I'm on my way.
Guys, please.
Answer.
I'm also on my way.
We're on our okay. Oh God, so Tundra, you suck at driving. Oh gosh, ow!
So do I.
Karma always sits back.
Karma is a B-I-T-C-H.
I fell again.
Karma is a bitch.
Dude, that's fuck. Don't you think did you just reference that part on Uno?
Yes, he did. Yes, he absolutely did, Anthony, and you have to deal with it.
Yes.
I'm on my way.
Yeah? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Get my hands. Get my
I'm
hands.
on my way.
Your hand?
Where do you guys
Oh, John, this is a horrible idea. John, this is a horrible idea. Wait, John, I dare you. John.
Got him
John,
down.
where did you throw me?
This was definitely worth
Wait,
it, bro.
John. Guys, John. Someone summon the helicopter again. Let me jump on your hand, and then I'll jump. Wait, summon your hand toggle, and oh frick. Let me go into hand toggle, and then let me grapple hook. Oh, frick. Oh frick. Can I grapple onto you? Can I grapple onto the helicopter while on you? Stop moving, John, please. Oh god. I can't say. I am gonna do something to you. Oh god. Oh John.
Thank you.
Turn the volume down. Turn the volume down.
Okay.
To be fair, Lavin, you could just turn the voice volume down in the settings. That would actually help.
Yeah,
I mean,
but
that's
don't
true. I mean,
yeah.
even hear a single thing if someone talks to me, okay?
Yeah, shit, we just
Sorry.
told you already.
Alright, guys.
I'm on
Sword
my
machine,
way.
you suck at driving. This is the 4th time you crashed. Oh, bye, John.
So do I.
I literally just got the helicopter.
Didn't even notice me.
No,
Oh, guys.
guys.
Alright,
I'm gonna summon some stuff.
For the ones that,
Watch this, watch it.
Guys.
Now,
Guys,
drive.
guys,
Why
look
are
at
you
me.
still-
I'm so
Oh,
sorry,
God.
guys.
It's fine. It's fine, Lavin. It's fine. We're the ones being annoying.
Release the grappling
Oh, wait,
hook.
Lavin.
I'm going at insane speeds.
Hey guys, you wanna see me fly? Watch this.
Oh my god.
Now you wanna see real flying? Check this shit out.
Oh my Anthony, I'm gonna fly. Anthony, we're flying at the map. Anthony, we're gonna fly at the world border. Oh gosh.
Wait.
I mean,
This way. Wait for the helicopter. What the fuck did it go?
We're actually gonna fly out the bottom of the map.
Anthony, we're gonna fly at the map.
Out to the sky!
What was that? What was that?
I am 100 million meters. I'm 100.
What happened?
Miles away from the island.
What happened?
I am 112 million meters away from the island.
oh shit.
Oh no. Throw him like a basketball. Throw him like a basketball, John.
What just happened? Oh, did I just respawn in this area?
Yes, he did.
Guys, I'm gonna get out of the border. I'm getting out of the border of the map.
Good. Fall. Perish, Anthony.
Oh, I can see you, Jonathan.
Guys, Anthony's actually coming up the map.
Gmail, come!
What the I don't know. I just turned around. I see Tundra crash and G-Man and Celebrate was up laughing. Oh gosh.
Yeah, Anthony, same here. Earlier, before I actually flew off the
Oh damn. Who's in the plane now?
Guys, I see.
me.
Fly, damn it!
You want the map border? I flew out the fucking map
Anthony,
border.
why is your arms and legs orange?
Losing breath. Holy, dude.
Anthony, why are your legs orange and your arms?
Map border, dude. Like that, actually fell out.
Oh no, Colin J, because of the lighting.
Getting this thing down.
Guys, I'm still up there. I am still up there.
Damn it, you're
How
broken!
you doing?
No,
Oh, there it is.
I'm going.
I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna do anything.
Jester!
Yeah.
What? Oh, got secret flips. Wait, going to fall.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Now I
What
have
was
to
that?
get my ass up there again.
Hi, how you doing?
Pretty well.
That's good.
What? What? Guys, I'm scared. Guys, I'm actually scared. Why did Lavin and Jester just have a normal ass conversation? That was so weird. I walk over to Lavin and Jester and they're going, so how you doing? Oh, I'm pretty good, pretty good. I'm like, why are you two having such a normal ass
Thursday for us.
conversation?
This is what
It's
it's like.
nothing bad. I just found it so absurd after all the screaming we were all doing. I just hear you two having a normal ass conversation. Just, how you doing? Good, pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, I got it.
Oh my lord.
What?
Getting there, hang on,
He just
chat.
threw me like a
I have
baseball.
to get my ass back up there.
You threw your girlfriend?
What?
What?
John threw his girlfriend. He's abusive.
Welcome to Tundra Industries. We got the best time.
That was such a weird noise.
Guys!
You mean Hashima?
Get on. No,
Guys. Hi, John.
Guys!
Breathe, damn it!
Wait!
She-Man, great. I'm guys. I'm going too fast. I'm going too fast. I'm going too fast.
I'm gonna block my egg!
I'm gonna fall off the map again!
Oh my god.
I just realized.
I never thought I would never see the day that the helicopter would be done. Ooh! Bye, John. Oh my god!
Yo, Mark. You want to see me do a flip?
Don't do a flip, please. Do not do a flip. If you flip, you'll lose immediate control of the helicopter.
Guys, I'm flying.
Don't.
Shamir, you gotta be kidding me!
I am gonna learn how to land this thing.
I'm gonna end the
I
recording.
have to get.
What
Don't you
happened?
dare.